One of the suggestions I'm making, the basic problem that I see within the system, overwhelming concentration on making money. Everything that we do in the business world is focused on making money. In order to new world to emerge, we need a new structure, new conceptual framework so that we can get it done. Social business is about solution of the problems, and it runs as a business, but the profit stays with the company, no dividend. So it's a non-loss, non-dividend company to solve social problems. It's a kind of invisible hand will take care of it. You are wrong. We take care of ourselves, not the invisible hand. We decide where we want to go. We design how we want to live, and we'll make it happen.
The basic idea of which we call creating shared value is about actually applying the capitalist model to addressing issues in society. Issues like hunger, issues like environment, issues like water, issues like health.
I've heard a lot about corporate social responsibility. There's been an acceptance that companies somehow have something beyond the immediate profit motive. Well, how does what you're proposing differs from that?
Well, I think we're in a sort of a logical progression. I think that CSR was an effort in companies to be responsible. They need to contribute to the community. They need to comply with community standards. The idea of shared value says that that there's a bigger opportunity. It's not taking money from capitalism and investing. It's actually rethinking how we practice capitalism. By serving a societal need where there's a gap or a limit, or where people are unhealthy, or where people are not having adequate shelter, or can't get clean water, or all the things that we've traditionally defined as social issues. By using capitalism and business thinking to kind of stretch and solve those problems, then shared value is created.
You developed the concept, and I think you've developed particularly three areas.
One has to do with the product itself. The shared value idea says, well, there's many social dimensions that can be embodied in a product, and there's often customers whose needs that have not been served that are available. So there's the product opportunity. The second opportunity has to do with what I call the value chain. If we look at that value chain with a kind of a shared value perspective, again, we open up new opportunities to save energy, save packaging, have more beneficial impacts on our suppliers that benefit them and their employees. And then the third bucket has to do with what I call a cluster. That is the businesses and institutions around a company. And the better that ecosystem is, the more effective and competitive the company can be. So the idea here is actually to get capitalism working not against the interest of society and the community, but actually integral to addressing the problems of society and the community. If we want to change the attitude of the public to business, it's going to be based on what we in business do, what we achieve, what we accomplish. And this is a way of getting businesses thinking about that question.